Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today we are going to check how we can integrate Tailwind CSS with our React.js project. So what is Tailwind CSS? It is actually a CSS framework that is used to help in styling elements. So there is a lot of predefined classes they are providing. So by using that we can style easily. Okay, so let's get started. So I have an empty React.js project running close to 2%. So and I have several steps need to be followed. So I completed this first step. If you want to create an empty React project, you can use npx create React app space your app name. Then the next step is need to install Tailwind. So I can use this command npm. Okay, I'm going to next terminal, jumping to my directory, and I'm using npm install -t Tailwind CSS. So let's wait for some moment. As it is installed, then next step is to initialize the Tailwind. Okay. So I can use npx tailwind CSS init. So I'm copying this. So you can see there is a file created tailwind.config.js. Inside that you can see comparison array called content. So the next step is how to copy something on this content. So this which help the Tailwind to identify what are the folders, what are the files we need to be styles, what are the format we need to get to style. Okay, so we are using JS, maybe JSX, TS, TS means TypeScript, TSX. All these extensions can be used to style. That we are just mentioning those extensions we are using. Okay, so the next step is we have to import something from Tailwind to our root CSS file. My root CSS file is index.css. Inside the index.css, we can import these things. Okay, and save it. And then we can run again and start. Let's wait for some moment. So there is no change from our previous version. So we can remove this previous version. Before jumping to styling the Tailwind, we have to install an extension. So you can type Tailwind. So you can install the first extension Tailwind CSS IntelliSense, which will explain us what are the classes we need to use. Okay, it will help us to write the class names perfectly. Okay, then we can code our first Tailwind style. Okay, we can remove this, sorry, and we can remove all these things. So it's an empty project. So how we first write our Tailwind styles? Well, what we have to do is we have to type this class. Okay, class name is equal to, then the classes are which the Tailwind provides. Okay, space bg. So if you put bg, you can see all these options are available because of this Tailwind extension. So first I put bg slate different 900, which means this background color. Okay, so let's check. Nothing won't happen because we didn't put a height for that. If you put height screen, see the background is changed to this color. That's great. You can check this. If you scroll, hover it, you can see the exact style what we have put on CSS file. That height is equal to 100 VI. If height is equal to screen means height is 100 VI. So there's a hell lot of classes we can use like text white. And then you can put nh1 hello world and just check. See, the text has become white. When you put text center, see, text becomes center. You can also do this style and class name is equal to text to Excel. Sorry, to Excel. To improve the font size, we can use font semi-bold to bold this. There's a lot of styles you can check on the Tailwind documentations. We will doing a tutorial for all this. This tutorial means how to integrate our Tailwind to this React project. So hope you enjoy this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you guys for watching this video.